for his birthday, my husband got a motorcycle, which I don't think Blue, my Quaker, can ride. But can I safely get a ride and take Blue or one of my other parrots with me? I love traveling with my parrots. Is it possible? Hey guys, I'm Kaylin, the author of The Parrot Bliss Bond. I have over 20 species of parrots. Parrots are my bliss, and keeping them happy and super safe and healthy is like paramount to me. If you want to get blissed out, you're in the right place. If you already know that I have over 20 species and how much I do love my parrots, then you are probably used to hanging out. Thanks for being here. Maybe you're already a YouTube member so that you're in our group on Discord and getting an extra video every week. Maybe not. If you are, some of the members don't always make it onto Discord. If you're trying to get on Discord, send or post to me or send me a message and I'll help you get on. Let's talk about how I'm planning on traveling with my parrot. To taking my parrots with me places. I love taking them with me places. Here is my big birdie backpack. You can see it's really big for Blue. There's a larger carrier there, and I have a small one there like for parrotlets. But in order to take birds on the motorcycle, I figured either the backpack or I ordered something new because I love taking my birds places with me. To lunch, to my mom's for lunch, on a trip, on a ride. So I even took River to the coffee shop with me today. So I'll leave you with some footage of that. Be sure to watch on Thursday. Oh, there's my macaw going, come, I want to be with you. Let's go hang out with her. Be sure to watch because on Thursday, I'm supposed to receive a new carrier, and it is aimed at being able to go on a motorcycle ride. So maybe Friday I will have already received it, and then I'll do an unboxing and see if it's possible to safely take my bird. In the meantime, if you're planning on traveling this holiday season and you need a really cool bird bag for an overnight bag, be sure to visit our new merch store at shop.parrotbliss.com. It's my daughter's designs. She's a really cool artist. She's in high school. She wants to be an entrepreneur, but she's also saving money for college. And I use some of my profits to help rescue. This year we've rescued 5 parrots.